Hello folks, time for another lesson. This is our first Arctic Monkeys one. We're doing Only Ones Who Know. Absolutely beautiful tune. And I did it in a recent demo for the Cattle Inbred Tremolate. So we're using that plus the Epoch boost to get the tones. So they sound like this. So we've basically got some tremolo and reverb going on there, essentially, if you want to mimic that. So nice, isn't it? It's one of my favourite tones at the moment. This tune's only got about 10 chords in it, so it's going to be pretty straightforward because you're just going to do either a chord for 1 bar or a chord for 2 bars. So not a lot going on. So let's crack on with the intro, which goes like this. And around again, right? So, what's going on there? We have an F chord. This next chord took me a little while to figure out. A lot of people tab it as an A7, which it is. But you hear, really listen closely to it, you'll hear. So that could be played, which is why I've given you the alternate version. So you hear the third in the root. You could actually play it here as well. So do an A, add the G on top. That'll be another way to play it, but I don't hear this note. So I think either play this or just this. So those are the options there. Then you're going to do a D minor. Again, if you're up here, D minor is just sliding your first finger up and taking your middle finger off. Right with that D minor shape. Down 2 frets. And down 2 frets again, but major. Then down to G minor. Okay, so that's 6 bars, and then you repeat it round again. Now the second time around, I'm going to do this alternate chord. And then you could go here for the D minor. And the C minor down 2 frets. And then pick up the rest of the tab from that A sharp, okay? That goes around 2 times, and then you go... two bars worth, okay? Then you're into the verse. You know that's the same as the intro. Second time, slightly different. A minor, G minor. Then we go into the kind of chorusy part, and here the chords ring out for twice as long. So we go A sharp, middle finger off for A sharp minor, slide it down 1 fret for A minor, D7, G minor, to A sharp, and back into the verse. Okay, now you play the verse and chorus part round one more time. This second time though, when you're coming out of the chorus part, which is starting on the A sharp, rather than going to A sharp, you go to A sharp minor. And then the outro, there's an ever so subtle variation. A sharp minor, A minor, and then G minor. And again. And then you're done. So you hold the G for 4 bars, then you play it twice again for 2 bars, and then back to the F. And that is it. Beautiful tune. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.